Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you, spring garden tasks specifically tailored for Zone 6. I know you're eager to get your hands dirty and make your garden flourish. So let's dive right in. 1. Prepping the soil. First things first, let's talk about prepping that soil. Grab your trusty shovel and let's get to work. Remove any weeds and debris that may have accumulated over the winter. It's like giving your garden a fresh start. Soil testing. Testing your soil is crucial. Get yourself a soil testing kit from your local garden center. It helps you understand the nutrient levels, and you can adjust accordingly. Healthy soil equals happy plants. Adding compost. Now, let's talk about compost. This magical stuff works wonders for your plants. Mix in a generous amount of compost to nourish the soil and give your plants the nutrients they crave. 2. Planting and transplanting. Now that our soil is ready, let's talk about what to plant and when. Spring is the perfect time for some new additions to your garden. 3. Cool season vegetables. Zone 6 loves its cool season veggies. Think lettuce, carrots, and radishes. They thrive in the mild spring temperatures. Plant them now, and you'll be enjoying fresh salads in no time. Transplanting perennials. If you have perennials that need a new home or some dividing, now's the time. Gently dig them up and replant them in their designated spots. It's like giving your garden a little makeover. 3. Essential spring maintenance. Maintenance is the key to a flourishing garden. Let's go over some essential tasks to keep everything in tip-top shape. 5. Pruning. Get those pruning shears ready. Trim back any dead or overgrown branches on your shrubs and trees. It not only keeps things tidy, but also promotes healthy growth. 6. Mulching. Mulch is your garden's best friend. Spread a layer around your plants to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Your plants will thank you later. 4. Pest control. Every gardener's nemesis. Let's chat about keeping those unwanted critters at bay. Companion planting. Nature has its way of balancing things out. Try companion planting like planting marigolds around tomatoes. Marigolds help deter pests, and your tomatoes will appreciate the company. DIY pest spray. Here's a simple DIY pest spray. Mix water, a dash of dish soap, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Spray it on your plants to keep those pesky insects away. It's natural and effective. 5. Watering wisdom. Last but not least, let's talk about everyone's favorite task, watering. But we want to do it right. Deep watering. Deep watering is the way to go. Water at the base of your plants to encourage deep root growth. Shallow watering leads to shallow roots, and nobody wants that. Morning watering. Aim to water your garden in the morning. It gives your plants time to absorb the moisture before the heat of the day kicks in. Plus, it helps prevent diseases. Your ultimate guide to spring garden tasks in Zone 6. Remember, gardening is all about enjoying the process and watching your efforts bloom. So get out there, have fun, and let your garden thrive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your gardening tips in the comments below. Happy gardening!